In this video, we'll look at my favorite database, Academic Search Complete from EBSCOhost. Academic Search Complete is a huge multidisciplinary database. That means it covers a variety of different topics. It's a great starting point for research in almost any class and has a great search interface. One thing to remember, though, it includes articles from peer-reviewed journals, but it also includes articles from magazines and newspapers as well, so you'll want to choose your articles carefully. Let's take a look. Here we are at the home page of Academic Search Complete. I almost always like to use the advanced search option. It gives me multiple boxes, and that encourages me to break my research topic down into single words or very simple short phrases instead of long sentences. Remember, Galileo databases don't search like Google. I'm interested in articles about the role of the American dream in the play Death of a Salesman, but if I used that sentence as a search, I probably wouldn't find much. Instead, I take keywords or phrases and search those, one in each box. So I'm going to use Death of a Salesman in one box and American Dream in another. And click Search. And here's my results page. I found 13 articles using this search, which is not bad. I could limit my results further by saying I only want full text and scholarly journal articles from this list and update. That leaves me with 3 articles. The first looks good initially, The Corruption of the American Dream and Death of a Salesman, but when I look at it closer, I can see that it's a book review, and that's not something that would be very useful in a research paper. The second one, however, looks very good. Who's to blame for Willy Loman's death? In the abstract, it also mentions the influence of the American dream in Death of a Salesman, so that looks like an article that would be good for my research paper. If I wanted to look at the full text of it, I can go over to PDF Full Text, click, and pull up the full article. At this point, I can use the icons at the right to print the article, export the article and save it, or do what I like to do and email the article to yourself for later, closer reading. If you email the article to yourself, you can choose a citation and choose MLA format, and it will send you a citation in MLA style. This is a good starting point for your bibliography, though you always want to check the citation with the MLA citation guide to make sure that it's correct. I want to point out one more nice feature in Academic Search Complete that I think might be helpful in your research. It's the Find Similar Results link on the article view screen. If you found a perfect article, like we did, but need others, consider using this link to broaden your search and get more articles. What it does is it finds articles that might not use the exact same phrase. For instance, it might not use American Dream, but it might find articles that are still related to that topic. And we found 307 more articles to take a look at. Once again, we could limit to full text and scholarly. That's about it for searching Academic Search Complete. Remember, if you're having trouble, contact the library. We can help.